these Westerners are very particular about the last name. What is your last name? What is your last name? 4 gospel writers don't have the first and the last name. It's only Matthew, Mark, Luke, and John. And when were they written? 70 years after Christ it was written. First time. Who wrote it? Mark. Mark and Matthew are supposed to be the Sahaba of Isa alayhi salam, but they don't write till 70 years after him. So if they started to write 70 years after him, we asked a question to learned Christians, sir, if they started 70 years later and they are the Sahaba of Isa alayhi salam, what was their age when they were living with Isa alayhi salam? Maybe 20 to 25 years old. So Mark starts writing when he was 95 years old. And Matthew writes 20 years later, meaning when he was 105 years, 110 years old. And that is what is, then they have according to. What is according to? No, we are not sure exactly Matthew, Mark, Luke and John wrote it. We think Matthew wrote it. We think Luke wrote it. We think John wrote it. We think Mark wrote it. Ask the most ignorant, most sinful Muslim on earth. Is this the word of Allah or Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam? Whose word is this? Unanimous answer. Without a second thought. There is nothing according to. 100% verbatim word of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.